Super important guest. Show ka naam obviously is Cyrus says, but that's not so important. What's important is our guest coming in 20 seconds. उसके पहला, I would like to mention कि diet बहुत important चीज है life में. I'm doing a little bit more Hindi in this one. Mukesh sir has who's coming on has requested that. Diet बहुत important चीज है life में. सबसे important चीज मेरे ख्याल से सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ये कोरोना वायरस के टाइम में है पॉजिटिविटी और पॉजिटिविटी की बात और उसमें पॉजिटिव डाइट तो एवरी डे इफ यू डू सिंपल थिंग्स छोटी छोटी बात है स्मॉल थिंग्स लाइक ईटिंग हाफ अ किट कैट इट विल कीप द डॉक्टर अवे डॉक्टर सारिस here to help you और अब पेश करते हैं द मैन द मिथ द लेजेंड द ग्रेट मुकेश जाबरा मुकेश जी
Hi.
वेलकम टू द शो
Hi,
इनफॉर्मल
Cyrus.
हाय
How
हाय
are you? How are you?
बेकार शो है बकवास शो है इट्स इनफॉर्मल शो बाय नाउ यू ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टूड इस शो का स्टैंडर्ड इतना लो है कि मैं मेंशन भी नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज़ यू कैन नॉट मेजर हाउ लो इट इज मुकेश सर पहले बताना पड़ेगा कि सर यू आर वन ऑफ द लीडिंग कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ द कंट्री यानी कि सलमान खान शाहरुख खान अमिताभ बच्चन दिलीप कुमार वो सब आपके साइड से गए हैं और आपके हाथ है उनके करियर्स में योर ब्लेसिंग्स आर देयर फॉर फुल ऑफ बॉलीवुड फ्रॉम दिलीप कुमार के जनरेशन टू रणवीर सिंह की जनरेशन मगर बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है पार्डन मैंने अभी तो जल्दी में ये किटकैट खा लिया मैंने मुफ्त में मिला तो यू नो हाउ वी आर आपका बैकग्राउंड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है सर जी यू हैव बेसिकली इन दिल्ली यू वेंट एंड डिड अ कोर्स इसमें मैं समझ में नहीं आ गया कि एक्चुअली फॉर्मल कोर्स है कास्टिंग के लिए
नहीं मैंने एक एक्टिंग का कोर्स किया था श्रीराम सेंटर से मैं
हाँ
दिल्ली से हूँ एक्टिंग का कोर्स किया था बिकॉज मैं उसके बाद जब मुझे एक एनएसडी में कंपनी है टीआई एंड नेशनल स्कूल ड्रामा के अंदर उसमें क्वालिफिकेशन था दैट यू नीड टू फिनिश योर ग्रेजुएशन एंड एन एक्टिंग डिप्लोमा सो दैट यू कैन जॉइन दैट कंपनी so that was a
अच्छा
part of my job ka requirement so that's why I did that acting course and unfortunately I topped in that course also so I got A plus in my batch
एक्टिंग कोर्स में मतलब
acting class as an actor yeah.
एज एन एक्टर सही बात है एज एन एक्टर वाओ तो ऑब्वियसली ये क्वेश्चन आपको लोग ऑब्वियसली बहुत बार पूछना पड़ेगा बिकॉज व्हाई वुड अ गाय हु इज द बेस्ट एक्टर क्लास के सबसे बेहतरीन परफॉर्मर व्हाई वुड ही बिकम अ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर
Oh, I honestly tell you, then मैं जब दिल्ली में एनएसडी में जब नौकरी करता था टीआई कंपनी में कंडक्ट लॉट ऑफ वर्कशॉप विद चिल्ड्रन तो ऑल द फिल्म मेकर जो बॉम्बे से दिल्ली में फिल्म बनाने के लिए आते थे उनको हमेशा चाहिए था कि कैन यू रेकमेंड सम किड कैन यू रेकमेंड सम स्मॉल एक्टर बिकॉज़ दे यूज्ड टू कम फॉर अ स्मॉल शेड्यूल इन दिल्ली सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल यूज्ड टू कम दैट टाइम आई
स्मॉल
डोंट नो
एक्टर की बात हुई तो मेरा नाम भी है उसमें
या तुम्हारा नाम तो बोस पकड़ जाए तुम तब से लेके अब तक तुम वहीं हो जहाँ पे थे भाई इतने बड़े हो शायद तुम यार तुम बहुत I've been your fan actually been your really you've been
सर
okay
ये तारीफ है या सार्काज़म है वो अलग बात है लेट्स गेट बैक टू यू तो
हाँ तो उसके बाद
बेस्ट
जब
एक्टर हाँ
बहुत सारे फिल्म मेकर जो वहाँ पे आते थे तो मैं जब नौकरी करता था एनएसडी के अंदर तो बहुत से बोल के कैन यू रेकमेंड सब किड्स फॉर दिस स्मॉल पार्ट वे डूइंग इन दिस फिल्म विशाल भारद्वाज वर लुकिंग फॉर फिल्म इन लाइक ब्लू अम्ब्रेला में कुछ बच्चे चाहिए फॉर दिस फिल्म कुछ बच्चे चाहिए तो आई शुड
ब्यूटीफुल
रेकमेंड
पिक्चर मैंने
Yeah, so
देखी
I used to
ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर
yeah,
ब्लू
so I
ब्लू
used to
अम्ब्रेला
recommend ki take this kid. I knew this because I was part of Delhi theater group, so I knew I'm from Shriram Center. Then I was in NSD for like so many years. Then I did theater with almost every theater group in Delhi. So that's how I knew a lot of people. Okay, Cyrus, you gone?
अरे
Hello,
क्या हो गया
hello, hello,
हेलो
hello,
हेलो
hello.
माया हेल्प host has asked you to start the video it's frozen हेलो आ गया
नहीं
नहीं वीडियो नहीं मायू प्लीज अरे बाबा electricity is gone Mayu is online baba please help I don't know it went off it went off
What do you want to do?
to come back
आ जाएगा टिक टैक ब्रेक लिया है अभी हमने
आ गया
अभी नहीं आया आएगा अभी ब्रेक लिया हुआ है क्या किटकैट ब्रेक लिया है ना यू जस्ट
no, it's not come
What do you mean it's not come?
they can't hear me
Cyrus, we can hear you. We can't
Oh.
see you.
you can't see me they can't see me
Why can't I see you?
I don't know.
See yourself?
Just the it's all black. So maybe just switch off the camera and switch it on again.
switch off camera and switch it on again
Like stop video and
it's all
start video
black
again.
oh visual
yeah, it's all black.
हाँ एक second sorry
Okay, Cyrus, this is weird. We can't see you at all.
it's not coming
Damn, sorry.
one second sorry one second
Okay, sir.
huh the video is not coming
Maybe you rejoin, log in again.
Hi, sorry, sir. Sorry, guys. Cyrus will just be back. Some technical difficulties. So Cyrus is terrible with technology. So every morning, his daughter has to come and help out with setting up the Zoom call. So we
तब
do
तक
this every morning.
we can keep chatting. You tell me now.
Yes, sir. No worries. So there are some questions in the chat already for you. If you want, we can answer those from the live stream. Oh, Cyrus is back.
Oh,
Okay, his
Cyrus is
video is
back?
still.
आ गया?
His video is
No,
still
video
not.
नहीं है. Still video not.
वीडियो नहीं है.
Video नहीं है.
There.
They are not able to see it.
No, that's not our fault.
It is
अरे
our fault.
No, it isn't.
Okay, it's not your fault, but what do we do, Maya?
Silvery Singh, what will we do? Video is not on. It's on
It
for
is
us.
on.
They are not able to
But
see.
I can see you, which means it's on.
Okay,
Oh,
so it's
Baba.
on, but is it an
we
internet
can't
problem?
see.
Y'all continue. We are trying. Sorry.
Okay,
हाँ
no
so we
worries.
हाँ okay.
Okay, so there are some questions in the chat for you already. Sid DA is asking, when is the Bhopal branch opening? So is there a
Okay,
Bhopal
so
branch?
Bhopal, yes. So I have office in Lucknow, Delhi, Chandigarh, and now in Bhopal.
I can see you.
So we were supposed to open last 16 because of this pandemic. We had stopped. Now we're thinking जब से थोड़ा सा चीजें better होंगी, I think another 15 days or maybe I hope कि things get better sooner. So immediately जैसे शुरू होगा हम शुरू करेंगे. हमारा everything is ready. Office is set, team is set. We just have to launch the office.
Okay, wow, all the very best, sir. So cool. Okay, next one comes in from M. Arun Iyer. He's just a statement. He says, every new guest wonders what's happening for the first 5 minutes. Hilarious to watch. Thanks, Arun, for tuning in.
This is all Cyrus ka, you can't see Cyrus's face because this was all planned. So that you get to see me more. That was the whole plan. That was
That's-
Cyrus' plan.
Wow, nice. Yes, exactly. Kashan Shetty asks, hello, Cyrus and guest. By any chance, did you help out with casting back in the 90s? I remember as a kid, I was auditioned by you for an omelette. Okay, so this question is for Cyrus, I think. Sorry. Next one is, okay. Janil Ben asks, hi, Cyrus and guest. What is your daily routine like? How are you dealing mentally with this lockdown?
Very interesting question because everybody is dealing with this difficult time at the time. So I keep
Yeah, sir.
reading script and I keep watching all the auditions and mostly I try to be in the office as much as I can because and also just keep reading scripts. That's the only way because I keep casting for a lot of films and shows. So I have so many pending scripts, so I keep reading that.
So how many? This is a question from me. How many auditions per day do you have to usually sit through?
See now because of the pandemic, we are not auditioning people in person. Now everything is online. Usually when last year जब हम सब लोग office में audition देने आते थे, we used to see like 400 and 500 audition every day. I used to see because there are so many films are happening, like 50 audition per film. So if I'm doing an 8 film, so you can imagine 8 films, 50 audition per film, close to 500 auditions every day.
Wow. So that's crazy. And how long? So I'm sure Cyrus would already ask you this. Can I ask again? How long have you been doing this now?
I
casting?
been doing this from last 15 years. But
16
because my
years.
life, when people got to know about my job professionally post Gangs of Wasseypur, the Gangs of Wasseypur became a huge hit and successful film. People say because of casting. That's how people started noticing my work, and
Wow.
my career started officially in casting post Gangs of Wasseypur, I would say.
Okay, Cyrus is back.
Thanks,
Thank you, sir.
Cyrus.
We'll see you
Yes.
back.
Victory. माफ कीजिए मुकेश, माफ कीजिए.
No
Give me one
problem,
more
brother.
chance. One more chance. एक और मौका सर जी. मेरे पास टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है. I'm somewhere in a village far away. Sorry, माफ कीजिए. I know
Are you holidaying somewhere? You're not in Bombay.
सर हॉलिडे के बाद कहाँ से आते हैं? You know we are under this tremendous pressure. सरकार की
But I keep seeing all the people are chilling in Maldives and Goa, so you might be chilling like diamond. Look at you right now. You might be chilling somewhere.
जिनके पास कपड़ा भी नहीं है सर यार, this is just being, I mean, very cruel यार, cruel बात. Anyway, let's get back to your life. Sorry, I wanted to at least get that correct. So you had got you topped as actor. उसके बाद you started casting.
I was helping a lot of filmmakers.
Umbrella, and then unfortunately,
So then there's Richie. I don't know if you know the director called Richie Mehta. He made Delhi Crime.
of course,
Of course.
Gopal
So
Dutt Tiwari is in it. But my closest friend, यार.
Yes, I
क्या बात है?
cast him in Gopal. Yeah. So,
Then who else?
so he was making his first film called Amal in Delhi, like in 2004.
Hmm.
So the first film he made. So he said, "Chalo, let's start casting. So you should cast because you know a lot of actors." So that's how I started my casting journey with him, with Richie Mehta. Then Imtiaz called me to do Love Aajkal, first Love Aajkal. So then said, "Can you help me to find some Saif's friend, Deepika's friend, and some family member because you know a lot of their actors." I said, "Okay, let's do it." So I started like that, as an assistant director, helping all of them to take karo, take karo. So slowly, the chiller party, then a lot of things happened. After Gangs of Wasseypur, then suddenly this hit me that I should take this job seriously. And Gangs of Wasseypur, I spent 1.5 years on casting, and my life is fully changed. And I became a professional casting director. Yeah.
Sir, but
So now,
इसमें एक सवाल है which I don't think has been answered कि आपने एक्टिंग क्यों नहीं परस्यू किया?
I'll tell
अगर
you
आप
why.
सबसे
I'll tell you because I always wanted to get into a direction. Acting because I did acting diploma because I wanted to join that company NSD where I so that was
but
part
you
of
were
my.
best in the class.
Yeah,
उस क्लास में
because you know about your own self, what you want to do in life. I always wanted to get into direction and be behind the camera. वैसे ठीक है, एक्टिंग लर्न किया, कोर्स किया, वो मुझे बहुत कास्टिंग में उसका बहुत हेल्प हुआ बिकॉज आई कुड ऑडिशन पीपल प्रॉपर्ली, आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड द स्क्रिप्ट, आई कुड रीड द स्क्रिप्ट. तो वो सब मुझे बहुत हेल्प हुआ. तो मैंने कोशिश किया कि जब मैं असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर भी था तो आई वाज ऑलवेज हैंडलिंग कास्टिंग एंड डूइंग वर्कशॉप विद एक्टर. सो देन आई सेड कि यार एक्टर तो नहीं बनना बिकॉज माय हार्ट इज telling me to get into direction. So that's how it's all I think by chance, when you think कि ये करना है तो यही होता है. तो ये क्या?
तो मुकेश भाई wanted to be a director.
हाँ, when I was making
acting by chance, और ये casting director actually is because of luck in a sense,
no, not
other
I
people
tell you why,
asking you
because
for help.
because people were asking for help, then suddenly I realized that no one is taking this job seriously in this country. Everybody, because it's क्या casting क्या होता है, because like 15 years back किसी को बोलो casting का तो बोला casting क्या होता है. People used to laugh at us. क्या रे ये casting क्या होता है, हम ही कर लेंगे, हम जानते हैं, स्कूल जानते हैं. And slowly when I took the job seriously after Gangs of Wasseypur, people actually understood what casting is. So then I realized that these people are not taking this job seriously and ground is fully empty. I should just grab this opportunity and become a casting director. So I completely understood the space. I said, "Okay, कर लेते हैं." Then I continued doing it. So now I'm happily pursuing my career in casting. And then I also made my film. ऐसे तो उसी बहाने तो film भी बन गया.
Yeah, we'll come to that, but लोग समझते नहीं, I think basically कि casting एक art या एक science भी होते हैं, which I think people have not understood. तो आपका कुछ process है? Does Mukesh have a process when he छोटी roles में अगर you have to search for actor, with maybe just 5 lines, एक दो scene. Where do you start? How do you have a bank? आपके पास already है ये सब जानकारी?
सबसे important thing अगर आपको casting director बनना भी है, सबसे पहले तो आपको script की समझ होनी चाहिए. Script का space क्या है? And you have to understand how director think, because you work with different directors. Their way of thinking is very different. Raju Rani think very differently, Anurag Kashyap think very differently, Imtiaz think very differently. Every director think very differently. So first you need to understand कि आप किसके लिए काम कर रहे हो. Then आपका script कहाँ पे set है. Film set in गुजरात और पंजाब और मध्य प्रदेश और maybe Goa. You need to understand the atmosphere कि film कहाँ पे set है. Then you have to find local actor to get the correct feel. If you see Kai Poche, I went to Gujarat and found the local actor. When I did Gangs of Wasseypur, I went to Banaras and found local actor. When you did Love Sting Khurana, I went to Punjab and Man Marziya. So I think you have to first understand the space क्या film का, then understand the director, what kind of actor he might like. Anurag like different kind of actor, Imtiaz like different kind of actor. Understand कि उनके दिमाग में किस तरह के लोग fit हैं, how he sees his film. So then you make notes and then you look for the actor. So you go to all the theater group. You should know कि कहाँ पे कौन theater कर रहा है. Every part of the country you should know कहाँ पे theater कर रहा है. गोवा में कौन कर रहा है, गुजरात में कौन कर रहा है, MP में कौन कर रहा है, कौन सा acting school है, कौन लोग workshops कर रहे हैं, कौन से teacher है. तो आपकी knowledge जो increase होना चाहिए, आपके सब जगह होना चाहिए. Then you make a full list of the character and then you sit with the director and take his brief कि what kind of actor he wants. Then you make a note. Then you start auditioning for actors. Then you feel कि हाँ ये, और मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि जितने भी छोटे छोटे रोल्स है ना उसमें ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग फेसेस को कास्ट करूँ, क्योंकि जितना छोटा रोल होगा उसका फेस इतना इंटरेस्टिंग होगा तो कैरेक्टर याद रहता है. समटाइम पीपल इग्नोर, बट आई ऑलवेज से दैट कास्टिंग जो है वो छोटे रोल से बनती है, बड़े रोल से कास्टिंग नहीं बनती है. जो छोटे छोटे रोल से माहौल बनता है उससे कास्टिंग बनती है. इफ यू सी गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर देयर वर 384 people. If you see Dangal, there were 300 400 people. When you see Kaipuj, you have 100 people. When you see Dangal, you see 400 people in that film. When you see Delhi Crime, there are 200 actors. So I always feel that casting जो है वो छोटे-छोटे रोल से जो atmosphere बनता है, उससे casting correct बनती है. That's the process.
और ये
And sometimes
400-300 लोग जो है खुल मिल के every single one you have cast.
everyone is my
Every
responsibility.
single one.
Every single one. जो भी dialogue बोल रहा है screen पे आके, even if saying one line, that is also part of casting director job. From lead to one liner, everything part of the casting director. Sometimes, you know, when sometimes director wants, like for Scam, Hansal Mehta wanted me to also do this small feature, interesting faces, जो all this, you know, जो stock market के अंदर लोग हैं, he wanted me to cast that also, so they should look authentic and real. So you have to go in that detailing, you have to research and find the people, what kind of people you see in those places. तो ये सब आपको करना पड़ता है.
बहुत महंगा प्रोपोजिशन है सर जी, बिकॉज अगर आपको नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट जाना पड़ेगा, छोटे छोटे गांव के अंदर जाना पड़ेगा, स्टॉक मार्केट के अंदर जाना पड़ेगा. आई मीन देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ legwork involved in all this.
Yeah, very legwork involved, and observation involved, memory involved. You know, to get the people, convince them to do this small part. There are so many aspects also part of it, and you make sure they act perfectly. They're acting, उसके acting पे काम करना पड़ेगा, scene work में काम करने का, तो performance का level correct हो, show के हिसाब से, film के हिसाब से, mood correct हो, तो सब पे भी काम करना पड़ता है. You have to do the workshop also before you cast the actor.
अच्छा, बट कामयाबी और सफलता का एक और प्राइस भी होते हैं, दैट इज आई थिंक पीपल विल नाउ प्रेशराइज मुकेश. तो टेल अस अ कपल ऑफ स्टोरीज जहां पे लोग डेस्परेशन में, बिकॉज़ इंडिया में बहुत डेस्परेशन है आई थिंक बॉलीवुड की लाइन में या वेब सीरीज की लाइंस में, वेयर पीपल आर प्रेशराइजिंग यू, हाउ डू यू डील विद दैट कि सर मुझे एक चांस दे दो, मुझे एक मौका दे दो,
You know,
ये मेरी पिक्चर है, ये मेरे ऑडिशन.
ये बहुत 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 I feel very sad when this, and it happened with all the casting directors and all the people who are working. You know, so many hopes. People come and touch your feet and they treat you like a god. I always say that, listen, I'm just doing my job. Don't treat me like I'm a god. I'm just doing my job because director, producers are paying me to do my job well. So if I think कि मैं कुछ कर पाऊंगा, because if you're sitting out with your parents and eating out, they'll come and show you their audition. If you meet them in lift, you go wherever, they start showing you their audition on phone. तो थोड़ा सा awkward हो जाता है, but I understand the problem because I know, because I completely understand, because we have less work and we have so many talented people. तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ, लेकिन ये थोड़ा सा difficult होता है, but I understand the problem. I don't feel bad. I don't get irritated, don't get angry. I always say that because whatever I am today, all because of the new actors. So I'm not here because of the all stars. I'm only here because of the new talented people.
बट जवाब क्या होगा सही? इज देयर अ सही जवाब? बिकॉज़ आई हैव नोटिस पीपल एयरपोर्ट्स के टाइम पे अगर फेमस डायरेक्टर को मिला या योरसेल्फ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर को मिला, दे इमीडिएटली कम एंड स्टार्ट टॉकिंग लाइक यू सेड, वो बेच देते हैं इमीडिएटली ऑन द स्पॉट कि सर मैं ये करता, मैं वो करता, ये
मेरे
मेरे
सामने
डायलॉग
तो
है.
डांस करना शुरू कर देते हैं, मैं किस डांस करना शुरू कर देते हैं, डायलॉग मारना शुरू कर देते हैं, अपना सीन दिखाना शुरू कर देते हैं ऑन माय फेस, लाइक इफ आई एम, they don't care मेरा कहां पर मैं हूं, क्या कर रहा हूं, they don't really care. They start, even अब तो ऐसा हो गया कि if I meet any जो इस फिल्म में नहीं भी है, चाहे वो कोई डॉक्टर हो, चाहे कोई पुलिस वाला हो, चाहे किसी रेफरेंस को, सबके सब they all want to get into acting. So yeah, so I always say that, listen, if I find something nice for you, because I always say that actor अच्छा है बुरा नहीं होता, actor होता है, you have to cast them correct. So I always say that, please, this is my email ID and please email कर दीजिए whatever one picture or two, because I don't believe in portfolio picture. I only believe in कि जैसे आप हो वो मुझे पिक्चर भेज दीजिए, my offer will get back to you. So that's my standard answer to
ऐसा
everyone.
हो गया एक बार भी कि ऐसा जो ऑन द स्पॉट आदमी जो स्पॉन्टेनियसली परफॉर्म किया आपके लिए, हैव यू एक्चुअली गॉट इन टच विद दैट पर्सन?
Yeah, so many times. If you see this Delhi Crime, I don't know if you've seen this show called Delhi Crime.
I've seen it.
The main boy who played the main rapist, I met him outside my office. So I said, "Come here, you act." He said, "I act." I said, "The audition there." So he gave audition in 2 minutes. After 3 minutes, I said, "Okay, yes, you're doing the part." So it happened many times. Yeah, it's the kid called चिल्लर पार्टी में एक लड़का था फटका, आई डोंट नो इफ यू रिमेंबर द फिल्म कॉल्ड फटका. ही तो वो स्ट्रीट, उसको मैंने लोखंड वाला रेड लाइट पे देखा था, ही वाज डूइंग अ व्हीलिंग. तो आई फॉलोड दैट किड. आई सेड, अरे इसको पकड़ो. तुम उसके घर पे गया, उसकी मम्मी, हर मदर थॉट मैं किसी बच्चे उठाने वाला आदमी हूं, क्योंकि दैट टाइम कास्टिनेटर कौन होता है 10 साल पहले. सो उसको मैंने कन्विंस किया, बेटा तू रियली अच्छे करता है, तेरा फेस बहुत करेक्ट है. तो उसके बाद 4-5 दिन मैंने अपने उसको ऑफिस में रखा, उसके साथ वर्कशॉप किया. देन आई डिड चिल्लर पार्टी एंड आई गॉट 2 नेशनल अवार्ड फॉर द फिल्म. Can you hear me now?
सॉरी मुकेश, आई थिंक हाँ नहीं ऑडियो ड्रॉप हो गया. ठीक है, प्लीज दिस इज ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड. मैं अलीबाग में बैठा हूँ एंड इट्स नॉट येट 24 hours 7 days a week वाईफाई. लेट्स गेट बैक. आई थिंक दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड ऑफ यू अ लॉट नाउ कि बिकॉज आपने एक अभी एक स्टैचर पे आ गया, एक पोजीशन पे आ गया, प्रोबेबली द बिगेस्ट गाय इन द कास्टिंग बिजनेस. तो फ्यूचर में इज देयर एनीथिंग आपके विश लिस्ट होगा, आपके खुद का विश लिस्ट होगा, हु वुड यू लाइक टू वर्क विद, व्हाट प्रोजेक्ट वुड यू लाइक टू मेक?
See, as a casting director, though, I am glad that I worked with almost every big director in this country, but I still want to work with Zoya Akhtar. I still think that I want to work with Zoya because I really love her films. So, and as a director, I want to like make my next film, and I've already thought of who to cast. So that's the plan is going on. And in terms of casting, I want to open at least one office in every state, in every city, so that I can get more talent and I can find more new talent. Right now, I have offices in Delhi, Chandigarh, Lucknow, now in Bhopal. So I want more offices to get so that I can bring more talent to this industry.
वाओ. और कोई फॉरेन प्रोजेक्ट है, कोई हॉलीवुड के साथ प्रोजेक्ट है आपके माइंड में, या एक्टर्स या आर्टिस्ट या प्रोड्यूसर्स डायरेक्टर्स?
Yeah, I want to work with Martin Scorsese. I want to work with all the great filmmaker, Woody Allen. I want to work with everyone. Yeah, they are great filmmakers. I wish.
Okay, let's
kabhi,
Mukesh, let's concentrate on directing for 2 minutes because अभी casting director, I think also casting director की अवतार में I think everybody knows you as that first. But you're very much when you're saying कि बचपन की अगर सोच है, you actually began thinking about being a director. That was
Yeah.
the main thing.
yeah,
So deep down as an artist, that is what you really want to do. But you've not done as many directorial features as perhaps you should have because you're so busy with the casting directing. तो आगे क्या होगा? Is there
I
some
think
huge...
I always took it when I was doing casting. So I was literally also grooming myself as a director because I was only auditioning actor, meeting all the great filmmakers, learning from them, understanding from them, spending time with all the big filmmakers as a casting director. You're learning so much. You're spending time with Raju Rani, with Anurag Kashyap, with Vishal Bhardwaj, Imtiaz Ali, Nitesh Tiwari. So आप सबके साथ time spend करते. I was always learning, gaining as much as I can. So मुझे जब भी time right होता है, you always जब casting में इतना popular हो गया तो I said, let me just do this and do this job perfectly. Now when I did Dil Bechara, I want to do more films. So I think जब time आएगा तो I will now get into the sec. But I don't want to leave casting. So I'll figuring out कि कब अपनी next film बनाऊँ so that I can take a break from casting and make my film and come back to casting. So I'm just
और
finding a right time.
और आपका कुछ फेवरेट जॉनर है एज अ डायरेक्टर?
Yeah, emotional love story. I don't know if you remember. I don't know if you've seen Dil Bechara. It's all about two cancer patients. So I think it's all about emotional love story. I don't think I can make action film. I can make comedy film. I don't know. I only know one genre. The great performances and just emotional story. Maybe about relationship. Maybe not love story. Father
ठीक
and
है
son.
मुकेश भाई,
daughter
कैन वी
and-
प्ले अ स्मॉल गेम?
Yeah.
A small game. I will give the name of the artist या actor या actress और आप तुरंत बताओ कि where will you cast this person
Yeah.
without thinking.
Okay.
It's a tough game but ठीक है, just spontaneously जो आपके मन में आ गया.
But any film or random film?
या फिल्म का जो रेफरेंस है वो भी ठीक है यार. genre like romance like you said,
Yeah.
emotional.
Okay. Yeah.
हाँ, ठीक है. And we are starting this game with India's #1 casting director, also one of our top directors, and the game is called कहाँ पे डाल दो साले? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, first Sanju Dutt.
Mahabharat.
May I ask कौन सा role?
I want to give him Arjun.
Wow, little bit on the older side, but फिर भी.
Yeah.
Are you thinking कि the younger Sanjay Dutt या even now?
Even now.
Wow,
So interesting करते हैं ना. Let's surprise people.
fair enough. चलो ठीक है. Salman.
Again, you stop. Camera. Cyrus, I lost you in between.
Salman Khan, I think.
Salman Khan to evergreen prem है. He can remain prem for rest of his life.
नहीं यार, वो तो हो गया अभी कितने बार प्रेम.
So
और
I
कुछ
think
दे दो.
Salman bhai. Have to be very कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा.
अरे
So he's done he's done great film. I just want to surprise people कि तो कैसे जरूर में कास्ट करना चाहिए. No, I
बजरंगी
just want to
भाईजान.
make. No, बजरंगी भाईजान he's done ना. I only done it.
Oh, exactly. हाँ.
So he should play a villain. I just want him to see a playing like a completely opposite of his personality. I just want him
Completely
to play a
negative.
villain, completely negative, because he never played a negative part, like a full-on negative character. That's what I want. Because he's been praised this for तब से I didn't know Prem from many back, but now he's been Prem now.
ठीक है. Let's go with Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan, I would cast him in Ravan. As Ravan.
But again,
In Ravan. In Ramayana.
as Ravan.
Yeah.
Very interesting. Oh, सब almost opposite सोच का pattern है इसमें.
Yeah, मेरा हमेशा opposite चलता है, इसमें regular नहीं चलता. Surprise.
I think already.
When Pankaj Tripathi was doing Chiller Party, he was doing comedy. So in Gangs of Madura gave him a main villain ka part. So I just like to surprise people. I always think an actor can play all the parts. So we should surprise everyone.
तो आपको ये gut feeling होते हैं इसमें या you actually know that
Intuition.
ठीक है. Let's go to younger generation. What about Ranveer Singh?
Ranveer Singh, I would want him to play Prem in Maine Pyar Kiya.
High energy Prem, even more energy Prem.
More energetic than Salman Bhai. He's fully energetic. How he is.
तो ये रीमेक्स के बारे में आपका क्या सोच विचार है? जैसे every generation remake of an iconic film.
आपका फिर से चला गया
एक साइड से लोग कहते हैं कि can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now, but I lost you in between. Yeah.
Sorry. मैं कहता कि वो remakes के बारे में आपका क्या सोच विचार है? Because there is one side के कहते हैं कि never touch say a दीवार या रशोले, and there's another side which says कि for this generation you have to redo. I think Hollywood में वैसा ही होता है. And
I am okay. Yeah, मैं खुद भी remake बनाया है. मैंने भी Fault in Our Stars का remake बनाया, तो I am तो fully supporting of remake. I just think कि सबकी अपनी voice होती है. You can recreate the same magic. Maybe sometimes you don't. It's okay to you can. I still love remakes. There's so many filmmakers are still making remakes, and it's doing so well in life. It's fine. I just want कि that film अच्छी होनी चाहिए. वो remake हो या adaptation हो या inspired हो, film अच्छी होनी चाहिए. I just say that.
ठीक है. Before we take a break, Mukesh sir, एक बात, is Mukesh Chhabra more the teacher, the casting director, the director, या the creator who will put together a full film?
I think I'm more like a teacher, because I do teaching is my profession. Workshop is my first job. Then I always say that casting director, then director, and then motivator. I think teaching is my first job. I like teaching more.
Maybe you've done a lot of NGO work as well, no? For free in terms of teaching, and you want to tell us?
I still do it because I just want. See, I always feel that if NGO में a lot of children, जिनके पास creatively करने के लिए कुछ नहीं होता, तो I just go there and do some plays with them. उनका play अपने किड के फेस्टिवल में बुलाता हूँ, तो मैं बहुत सारे बच्चों के इकट्ठा करके I keep doing plays with them because that's my happiness. That's give me more, because my when जब NSG में भी था तो मैं बच्चों के साथ ही काम करता था. मैं NGO में चाहे वो इस्लाम वाला ट्रस्ट है, चाहे कोई नन्ही दुनिया है, चाहे वो तितलियां हैं, all these breathing space, I work with everyone. I always feel that कि उन बच्चों के लिए creative बनाने के लिए कोई कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर मैं जाके 2 घंटे जाके उनके साथ play कर सकता हूँ, रोज 2 घंटा जाके time spend कर सकता हूँ, it's a great thing, because if you can't support them financially much, but at least you can support them creatively. So that's what I do. I love working with kids.
इन बच्चों में से किसी का लॉन्च भी हुआ?
बहुत सारे बच्चों का, ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चों का. अब if you see Super 30, all the kids were from NGOs. All the 30 kids you see with Hrithik in the Super 30, they were all from NGO. That you can see the poster right behind. All the kids, they were all from NGO. There was an NGO in Bihar. I went to all the different NGOs. I found those kids from there. Everyone from, because I wanted they should look authentic, real. So that's why I went to all the NGOs. They were all from actual NGOs.
Quite interesting, Mr. Mukesh Chhabra, philanthropist, artist, and humanitarian, and above all, creative man, all rolled into one. We'll take a quick break, and when we come back, lots more AMAs, Poochega Sawal, which is impossible to answer, and Mukesh is ready with a straight bat. But in the meantime, Silvery will join us. Silvery bhai.
Cyrus, we have a small ad break.
Read
in the middle. Yeah.
1 second.
Cyrus, I'm losing in between because of the network, I guess.
I know. Sorry, yaar.
Cyrus, you went off video again.
Right? Went off?
Yeah, video went off.
Start video.
Oh man,
Back?
it's again the black screen again, Cyrus. Sorry.
Ayo, it's again the black screen. Well, so we don't waste time. You're there, Silvery.
Yeah, I'm here. Your internet is a little unstable as well, Cyrus. Your voice is getting cut quite a lot.
Mayu, the video's gone. Mayu.
Sorry, guys, on the live stream who are tuning in. This technical issues today. Yes.
I don't know.
यहाँ में इतना कुछ चल रहा है, ये तो फिर भी बहुत छोटी प्रॉब्लम है.
हाँ.
Internet is the
that's
least problematic.
That is so true, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, बिजली गई अभी. Mayu. Electricity is gone. Silvery, carry on. Don't hold up the
Okay.
show.
Okay, no
I'm
worries.
pause.
Can you then just read the cred ad?
Yeah, I just have to read the credit once.
Because we can still hear you. So then we can continue. Okay, Cyrus, you went on mute also now. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, Cyrus will be back in a bit. Till then, we'll go ahead with the AMAs. All right, coming up, sir. Mukesh Chabra, sir. The first one comes in from Kashin Shetty. This is very interesting. He says, "Hi Mukesh. Without taking any names, when you audition someone and he or she goes on to become successful, but also goes on to become arrogant, how does that make you feel? Is it that tough to maintain humility with success?"
I think very nice sawal, I must say. There are so many people I've experienced personally, but I always feel that always say that कि मेरा काम हो गया, I did my job well, and after that उनके life में जो होता है वो उनकी responsibility है. I just really don't expect anything from them to remember me or be. But so far, whatever friend I made in the industry from struggling days to now, they're still my closest friend. But I understand there are a couple of people like that, and you get to see them when you meet them after 2-3 years. Their vibe is different, the behavior is different. Of course, you get to know. So I don't take it to heart. I just take my job very seriously. I don't take them seriously.
Yeah, exactly. And you can't be blamed for anyone's success
I
or lack of success also. It's not your fault. So
it's just I just do my job.
Their own person.
I move
exactly. Exactly. That makes sense. Awesome. Next one comes in. Okay, Cyrus should have been here for this question, but this is very funny. It says
I'm there in audio, bhai.
Oh, you're here? Okay. Hi, Cyrus. Anna has asked if Cyrus had to turn up in Mukesh Chabra's office to be cast in a film, what would be the outcome?
Wow.
Casting couch तो नहीं है ना? Sir, casting couch है या नहीं है?
अरे नहीं है यार.
अरे damn it, फिर मैंने आएगा.
So Cyrus, from television days I've been watching you. Such a great actor. People always cast you in a funny role. I would cast you in a completely different role because I always want to surprise people. Because what I did with Pankaj Tripathi for funny to completely change his image to villain, I would want to make him a villain part, definitely. And I will definitely do that. That's my promise on this live streaming because I want to do that.
Villain, wow, sir. At last,
yeah, because why do you always keep making? You done that from last 10, 15 years. I've seen you doing the same thing. Just surprise people and make you. And I think you're from theater. You've been around for so many years. You know how to act. I know you don't show that you know.
मेरे को एक चाकू देना हाथ में. I will start killing left, right, and center.
Your voice is gone.
Don't worry.
Okay, Cyrus, you're back. Awesome. Now we can see you. Yeah, you're back.
It's a miracle, yaar. It's a miracle technology. Sorry, Mukesh. I don't think you'll cast me as a villain. You'll cast me as technical director.
Sorry, Cyrus.
But I'll use this laughter as in your villain ka part. That laughter is very interesting. You know what Nawaz do that? Nawaz ने जो शुरू किया था ना अपना सलमान भाई के साथ फिल्म किया था. Laughter. I think I'll use your laughter in some film.
Nawaz's laughter will be called Nawaz ki Awaaz.
Nawaz ki Awaaz.
Yeah.
Cyrus, can you just do the cred ad read?
Right. Now? I'm trying. Boss, अगर बीच में गया तो गया. Remember, this is like Corona. We have no control. All right. Cred. I heard about this amazing thing, Mukesh. Amazing news. The Cred Daily Jackpot. Just go on to Cred app, pay your credit card bills, and you could win the Cred Daily Jackpot. It's very easy. 13th over of the first innings of every match, a daily mystery reward is unveiled, and you could be the one who wins it. So don't miss out. Just download Cred. 13th over. Very important. Download Cred.
Download Cred. There's another secret. Download Cred.
हाँ, download great, exactly. अगर
Nice.
पैसा है तो हाँ, that's the third secret.
So did you cast for those ads as well? The cred
No, I
ads?
didn't. No,
Oh, okay.
but I love
But
those
he's
ads. Great.
Those ads are really good, yeah.
but he's cast for many ads, yaar.
I've done more
50,000
than
ads too.
I've done more than 1,000 ads. Yeah.
Wow. Oh,
Wow.
wow. That's amazing.
I now stopped doing it because I don't get time to do ads. So I started with ads also in Bombay. All the Cadbury ads, all this Coke ad, all the big ads you see, that all I've done.
Wow. Yeah.
All right. Next, going back to the AMAs. Next AMA question is for Mukesh sir. Comes from Tarun Kaushik. He says, Mr. Mukesh, do you face any so-called stars who refuse to audition while like Joey from Friends because they played a lead somewhere on some movie?
I
That's
think, yeah, so many people say no to auditioning, but I think the for now people are understanding. Now when I call actor to audition, they don't really no. 4-5 साल पहले वो ना बोल देते थे. I think the process is fully different now. The cinema is fully changed. Filmmakers are making different content now. So I think now they're fully open for auditioning. I've auditioned almost every big actor nowadays for some of the other projects. I think now things are very different.
also वो option भी है ना कि home पे audition करके you put it on the phone and send it. That's another new style
And
now.
also they earlier का तो office में आना they might to feel कि मैं इतना काम किया, why should I go to office? Now that they have to do it from home. It's
Exactly.
better. Yeah.
Okay.
सिल्वरी आप भी audition किया था ना एक बार?
I actually auditioned for Mukesh sir.
Really?
I mean, I've auditioned for a web series, sir, and also I think you were doing a small like audition / interview with all these like a bunch of not junior actors but like supporting role actors or like smaller supporting roles, and you had called us to your office, and I think this was for your first directorial Dil Bechara. I'm forgetting actually right now, but I have done like a couple of auditions for you, but it doesn't
Oh
matter.
shit!
It's
Now
all
we should
good.
do more audition. You have
Yes,
such a
absolutely.
nice name. You can do 100 of ads. Not because
Yeah,
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
I
Now I
think
know.
अगर picture insurgency के बारे में है ऐसा, he's got the right look for that kind of thing.
yeah, and although he look like a
So-
techie who can hack your computer.
That also.
Done. Sorted.
दोनों.
Now I know. All right. Next one comes in from Vinay Joshi. He says, "Hi, Mr. Mukesh. Okay, this is interesting. He says, Hi, Mr. Mukesh. You were one of the last people to work with Sushant Singh Rajput. How was your experience? What was the relationship like? Hope this is
Yeah,
not too personal a question because we really
it's
miss
too
SSR.
personal. I feel very I feel very sad when I talk about Sushant. That is the reason I didn't enjoy Dil Bechara's success, because I don't think so that I can talk about Sushant, because I spent 8 years of my life with him from Kai Poche to Dil Bechara. So he's too close to me. I just still coming out of that phase. I really don't like talking about it anymore, because I feel very, very, very sad internally, because whole my lockdown from tab se leke ab tak I still miss him. I think about him. That's the reason I don't talk about Dil Bechara, because when I talk about Dil Bechara, you talk about Sushant. So I avoid getting into that discussion, because I feel really, really bad. I miss him a lot.
और ये मीडिया सर्कस जो इंसिडेंट के बाद जो चालू हो गया, I think for at least 4 to 6 months immediately. What do you feel about that? The way they खींचा out the story or created
Yeah,
the
I
murder.
was fully low about it. I was in my different space. I was off media. I went home. I went to Punjab and spent time with my family. I was fully. I still feel very disturbed about everything. So I don't want to just cut up. I just don't want to talk about it. I just feel so heavy.
ठीक है, sorry. Okay,
Absolutely,
let's
sir.
move on.
Yep.
Silvery?
This one is for you, Cyrus. Hello, Cyrus and guest. Cyrus, by any chance, this is from Kashin Shetty, sorry. He says, Cyrus, by any chance, did you help out with casting back in the 90s? I remember as a kid, I was auditioned by you for an Amul ad. I was so terrible. I think that's why you became a VJ.
I worked for 6 months in Shunyata, Poo Sayani's company. And I did the Whisper ad, which I remember clearly because कुछ experience नहीं है, what's it called, sanitary napkin के पास. I mean, and suddenly I had to do that Inca test. I don't know if you guys remember उस time पे all sanitary napkins had Inca test to show कि
Yeah.
ये होने के बाद कुछ नहीं होगा. How to explain it without sounding vulgar? So I used to do that. So I remember auditioning lots of ladies. That's why I asked Mukesh sir in the beginning कि pressure बहुत आते हैं ना, because when they feel you can help them get work, people behave very differently.
Yeah, it's very. Sometimes it becomes very scary, and because they get also one incident. I want to say that मेरी post Gangs of Wasseypur, फ्रस्ट्रेशन में 2-3 एक्टर्स ने मेरी गाड़ी का शीशा फोड़ दिया था, साइड मिरर तोड़ दिया था, दे गॉट
What are you
एंग्री
saying?
अपसेट कि यू डोंट कास्ट करो. So मतलब I got started getting calls for threatening calls, this that. तो मतलब बहुत कुछ हुआ है, तो बहुत कुछ होता है, but I still don't blame them. I understand the situation, I understand the problem. तो मेरी गाड़ी के सारे शीशे फोड़ दिए थे, मुझे पकड़ लिया गया था, वो सब भी हो चुका लाइफ में.
What are you saying?
Yeah, तो ये सब भी होता है.
At least वो लोग character में था ना. They're staying in the character.
They were-
Gangsters.
Angry young man.
हाँ, तो coming back to the question, I can't remember अमोल के किया या नहीं, but 3-4, I think 4-5 commercials तो किया हमने. I can't remember all of them now. Many years have passed. But the Whisper I remember because I was so awkward and they were all women and I had to keep opening the thing and putting the ink. उसमें मेरे ख्याल से I lost 5 years of my life because it was very very fearful. But yeah, it's possible. It's possible that I apologize to Kach not casting him, but suddenly, yeah, because we have to make the shortlist, and shortlist goes to a director. I don't know, but then Mukesh started. It's a little more professional, but we would make the shortlist. Shortlist, may say, because they would not look at 40, 50, 80, 100 women for the ad.
They will
would look
only
at
see the shortly top
the
3 people.
shortlist. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So shortlist both important cheese because you're bringing it down to top 10 or something. Then that person's chances go up a lot. So that we had that.
That
power
was one of my reason to I stopped doing ad because I always thought that why should I give my shortlist? I just want this actor to take this actor. So then I said, fuck it, I don't want to do this casting.
नहीं, but sir, ये सब generic roles थे ना, जैसा housewife in the 30s, teenage girl,
Yeah.
it's सब
No,
not
but
specific.
in few years back, I changed that format only. I said, ये होगा. No, I won't listen to the director only. ये the cast होगा. बोलते थे यार मुझे के साथ काम करना बड़ा मुश्किल है, ऑप्शन नहीं देता. I said, I won't give you option. So I said, what's the point? 10 option दे रहे, we're not coordinator, we're casting director. So that is why I moved to film. I said there is more
Really,
creative
यार,
work
and I can't
involved.
believe कि इतना concentration के साथ काम कर पाएगा लोग, If I put 200 faces, how can you concentrate for 200 faces while stopping same dialogue, same? It's very tough here. You can see the person is not paying attention when they're watching the reel sometimes.
No, but film में करना पड़ता है. For film में you have to keep watching so many. For Dangal, I had auditioned 12,000 girls. तभी अब सान्या, फातिमा और जायरा और बोले
12,000.
12,000 girls. For Chiller Party we auditioned 2,000 kids. For Super 30 we auditioned 10,000 kids.
और सिल्वरी तूने ऑडिशन किया कब? दिल बेचारा में ना?
यार,
The audition only 5 and you didn't get it.
I mean, yeah. But I remember I was in the room at the Mukesh Habra casting at the office. I was in the room with like some 20 or 30 other actors. And the thing was that sir was saying, I'm going to start directing a movie. This is when you were still, I think, in the writing process. And you were like, I'm going to start writing this movie. I'm going to start directing this movie, sorry. And I will need all you guys. Will you guys be part of this team? And you were, I think, early on, you were starting to build your team slowly or something like that. I think that's what, when this was.
So as a filmmaking is very close to my heart. तो उसमें process बहुत पहले शुरू कर देता हूँ. मैं ऐसे 2 महीने में काम करके भाग नहीं सकता. So needs time to make that.
Yeah. Absolutely, it felt like that. It felt like you were very passionate about this project and you really wanted it to do really well.
I don't know, Cyrus has seen the film. I don't know. Have you seen the film? No.
सर मैं अभी 15 मिनट के बाद मैं चालू करता है. I'm already downloading it. Of course, technology की भी एक चीज है यहाँ पे, तो I don't know when I'll complete the film. That depends.
Okay, shall I go to the next AMA?
Yes.
Next one comes in from Architect Vineet. He says, what does Cyrus think about his movie Fruit and Nut? I watched it yesterday on Amazon Prime.
Oh, yeah.
Architect.
It's a fun film. And let me talk
God,
about
Mukesh, you've seen Fruit and Nut? It lasted 24 hours.
Yeah, but I've seen it.
But I think our idea was, I won't make excuses, just like hello friends. But the idea was good actually. It was a real bizarre comedy we had written. For example, that last bit which we had written, which I really enjoyed, was the whole thing ends with a quiz. Where Mahesh Manjrekar, the villain's character, and Rajat Kapoor, the head villain's character, basically, you escape or die in the Kaun Banega sort of format. But maybe it was just too bizarre and too crazy. We didn't dot the I's and all properly, can't say. But it was fun to make. I remember एक दिन महेश मांजरेकर का shooting करने, he took off in the middle, went to play cricket, and I told him, he said, lunch break में Shivaji Bagh के पास में. I said, okay, ठीक है. Then he came back in 2 hours. So we told him, sir, how did you manage 2 hours? I never make more than 3 runs. And he came back. So it was great fun. Yeah. But yeah, maybe 50 years later, someone will like that film. Maybe it's one of those movies which will have an awakening later.
Yeah, possible. All right. Next one comes in from Rakshit Thapliyal. Uh, Again, so you don't have to answer this if you don't want to. It says, "What do you think about Dharma Production removing Karthik Aryan for unprofessional behavior?"
Ah, interesting.
Yeah,
I mean,
this is. I think
yeah,
this is a very personal between them. I don't know how
yeah,
to explain
exactly.
that.
So moving on, no worries.
मैं asking a follow-up question. Forget Kartik Aaryan. मगर आपको क्या लगता है, sir? Because should there be a disciplinary code? Hollywood में होते हैं. They have a contract which is watertight, and if you miss things or you misbehave, ये सब वो सब, you either
But
lose money or.
that we don't know the side of the story, right? I don't know which
Yeah,
side of the story
absolutely.
we should believe.
अच्छा,
I don't
ठीक
want
है.
to believe in, but media is writing. I don't know believe. I don't know which side to believe.
Correct, absolutely.
Maybe he must have his own reason. Karan must have his own reason. I really don't want to talk about it because that we don't know the both of the story, and I don't want to be the person कि मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं. जबकि I did दोस्ताना. I did the casting of दोस्ताना.
और मेरा करण जौहर का फोन आ गया. Sir is not committing यार. क्या बोलूं? Okay.
All right. Next one comes in from Akriti Arora. This is very interesting. She says, Bhumi was also a casting manager first, now
For
became an
Yashraj,
actress.
was Yashraj, yeah.
Yeah. So, do you have
Really?
any such plans of getting back into acting, sir?
Me, no, yeah. Actually, I always say that Bhumi, Shweta Tripathi, Pavel Gulati, Abhishek Banerjee, I think that a lot of people are, I'll tell you what, honestly, I'll tell you, casting in this country, there are not professional institute of casting. हम सब खुद लर्न करें. There's institute for acting, for editing, for direction, for camera, not for casting. तो हम सब उस प्रोसेस में सीख रहे होते हैं. बहुत सारे एक्टर हम लोगों को ज्वाइन करते हैं इन कास्टिंग के डिपार्टमेंट में तो गेट टू लर्न हाउ टू गिव ऑडिशन, how to become co-actor, how to handle camera, how to read a script. So I think उस process के through बहुत से लोग एक्टर बनने के लिए आते हैं, but they become an assistant director to assistant casting director अपने को groom करने के लिए. Because when you assist a casting director, you get to meet so many directors, you get to read so many scripts, you audition people, you become co-actor, you read script, you handle camera, you know how to audition. So इतना सारा काम आपका, plus you also get a little bit of money so that you can survive in this city. आई थिंक ऐसा कुछ प्रोसेस नहीं है जिनको बहुत सारे असिस्टेंट जो अभी मुझे असिस्ट कर रहे हैं दे ऑल वांट टू गेट इनटू डायरेक्शन एक्टिंग एंड डायरेक्शन दे फॉलो फ्रॉम हियर. तो आई थिंक भूमि डिड अ राइट थिंग. उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली, उसने शी ग्रैब्ड इट. पावेल गुलाटी जो थप्पड़ में था ही ग्रैब्ड इट. श्रुति त्रिपाठी गॉट मसान फ्रॉम कास्टिंग, शी ग्रैब्ड इट. आई थिंक इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके. पर मेरा भी प्लान नहीं है. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी वेयर आई एम.
Okay, very cool.
Also ये interesting चीज है ना कि adulthood में कभी-कभी एक परिवर्तन होता है. Suddenly in your life there's a change and you're going one way और फिर direction change हो जाता है. It's almost like karma. It's not like a person is even planned. Like you said कि मौका आई.
सॉरी सारे से
Like you were saying only, I'm saying कि मौका आया आपके सामने and then the person takes that advantage or not. You know, it's like karma. You can't. Many people may not have done it and continued the path they were on. मगर Bhumi or the other mentions that you have done, they took that chance and suddenly changed their life in another way.
Yeah, you never know. See, when I want to get into a direction, अगर मैं एज असिस्टेंट ट्राई करता रहता मुझे पता नहीं मेरी फिल्म कब बनती. I got this opportunity to become a casting director and I'm very happy about it. इस प्रोसेस के अंदर आपने यू कीप मेकिंग रादर देन सिटिंग एट होम एंड वेटिंग कि मेरी लाइफ में ये होगा, घंटे बजे के कुछ होगा लाइफ में. आई केप्ट डूइंग इट. So I think I always say that to everyone कि भैया कुछ ना कुछ करते रहो. You don't know which direction life will take you.
Right.
Just follow the path.
Just to assure people who are listening to the show, sir, last 3 years of filing income tax, what kind of returns have you got? Can you tell us? सर ये इंस्पिरेशनल कहानी है ना.
हमको इतना पैसा नहीं मिलता है कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर को कि जिसको हमको इनकम टैक्स के टेंशन है. हम लोग को कोई टेंशन इनकम टैक्स की. हम लोग बहुत छोटा डिपार्टमेंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डिपार्टमेंट है, बहुत छोटा डिपार्टमेंट है, तो हमको कोई ऐसा टैक्स की टेंशन नहीं.
ठीक है, वेल प्लेड सर. सिल्वरी एक और.
So are you a cricket fan? Because there's a couple of cricket questions as well.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this user is called Yuzvendra Chahal. It's not the actual Yuzvendra Chahal.
Well, usually is a good friend of mine. तो अगर झूठ होगा तो मैं
झूठ है. No, ये झूठ है. नहीं. This is not the actual Yuzvendra Chahal. I know for sure. But the question is, what is your opinion on all the matches ending in the last overs way too regularly?
Yeah, मुझे लगता है कि वो ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ही अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट लिखी हुई है आईपीएल वालों ने, जो लास्ट में क्लाइमेक्स हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है. आई थिंक वेल स्क्रिप्टेड गेम्स लगता है, बट एक्चुअली वो इतना, क्योंकि वो गेम की एक्साइटमेंट ऐसी है ना, क्योंकि सब प्रोसेस में इतना रहते हैं, तो लास्ट ओवर जो होता है ना, मुझे हमेशा लगता है वो फिल्म का जो क्लाइमेक्स है ना, वो हर मैच और फिल्म का क्लाइमेक्स एक तरीके से होता है. तो आई लव आईपीएल का क्लाइमेक्स. मुझे लगता है मैं तो लास्ट के 5 ओवर देख लूँ, वेरी हैप्पी. इफ आई एम नॉट वाचिंग 10 बिगनिंग के ओवर, मैं फाइन. लास्ट के 5 मेरे लिए बहुत 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 इंपॉर्टेंट है.
I think also अगर ये जो मैच जो है ना, इट्स नॉट इजी टू फिनिश ऑफ अ गेम इन 16 ओवर्स. जो पार स्कोर होते हैं, सपोजिंग 160 180 के आसपास में स्कोर होते हैं कम से कम, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू रियली फिनिश ऑफ द मैच इन 16.3 एंड ऑल. सो इट्स अ फॉर्मेट व्हिच अलाउज पीपल टू हैव रियली क्लोज कॉन्टेस्ट एज लॉन्ग एज इट्स ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल स्पॉटिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ पोटेंशियल दोनों साइड से. एंड दैट हैपेंस अ लॉट. बट पीपल आर सिनिकल, कहते हैं कि ये फिक्स्ड है, ये है, वो है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई.
how is that possible? आपके सामने सब कुछ चल रहा है. How is that possible?
और थोड़ा एंटी रोमांटिक सोच भी है. आई थिंक पीपल्स हेड्स, मे बी वर्ल्ड हैज बिकम लाइक दैट, कि पीपल का नेगेटिव सोच इतना है कि दे ऑलवेज लुक एट द नेगेटिव. दे नेवर ट्राई टू एंजॉय व्हाट इज देयर. दे नेवर ट्राई टू थिंक कि क्रिकेट का रोमांस है इसमें.
Especially nowadays, it's more. From last 1.5 years, it's more
हाँ.
now because there's so much going on around us. It's too much negativity.
करेक्ट. आई
I
फील
go on Twitter, I see sadness everywhere. I go on Instagram, see sadness. So I'm glad that people like you are still entertaining and keeping people happy and alive. It's very important. Because everyone is so sad and frustrated, not happy. It's too much.
That's why, sir, कम दिमाग लोग मेरे जैसा ना, we are always happy. You must not think too much. I've been telling people कि इतना सोच मत करो, waste हो जाते. 85% is a waste of thought. 15% is enough. बाकी just लेट जाओ, सो जाओ, relax, enjoy IPL, whatever. Right,
Yeah.
Silvery bhai?
Yep, absolutely.
He's not happy.
He's happy. He's happy.
Cynical expression है, sir. देखो, कास्ट लो, कास्ट करो उसको, एक चांस दे दो.
मैंने कास्ट करने सोच भी लिया है इसको. मैं निधि
हाँ.
must be making note right now. My team is also there. Nidhi knows how I think. She must have
Silvery,
made some notes.
10% मेरे लिए है भाई.
Okay, sure.
I don't want to use the word pimp, but I am working for you.
All right. Next one comes in from Sid DA. Just a couple of questions more, sir. Next one comes in from Sid DA. He says, "So would you be able to cast for foreign films as well?" He goes on to say, "If you are from a certain culture, you know the types of people in it, so the casting in that culture would be easier. But what about a foreign film? Would you be able to do that?"
Yes, of course. Because आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो सेम ही होती है. वो लोग इमोशन भी सेम होते हैं. वो लोग भी सेम तरीके से सोचते हैं. एक्टिंग तो आपको समझ में आ जाती है. आई थिंक मुझे कास्ट करना है. मेरे को तो इवन फॉरेन फिल्म क्या, आई वांट टू कास्ट फॉर गुजराती फिल्म आल्सो, राजस्थानी फिल्म आल्सो, पंजाबी फिल्म आल्सो, फॉरेन फिल्म आल्सो. फॉर मी हर लैंग्वेज की फिल्म कास्ट करना इज अ चैलेंज. सो फॉर बिकॉज़ आई ऑलवेज फील द इमोशंस आर सेम, थॉट्स आर सेम, फीलिंग्स आर सेम. यू हैव टू प्लेस देम इन राइट स्पेस.
I think sir का एक तरीका है, एक स्टाइल या प्रोसेस है, and that is he likes to go and discover. So almost with a clean slate, he goes to the ground, he goes to the area. So
और
अगर वो
every
बल्गेरिया
time
हो या
मैं कहीं भी जा सकता हूँ. हिंदुस्तान के वर्ल्ड के किसी कोने में कास्टिंग करने ले जा सकता हूँ. आई डोंट रियली केयर कि मैं यहीं कास्ट करूंगा. एंड आल्सो मैं पिछली फिल्म को कभी काउंट नहीं करता कि अरे आई हैव डन वासीपुर, आई हैव डन गायपोची, आई हैव डन 200 फिल्म. एवरी टाइम मैं जब फिल्म स्टार्ट करता हूँ उतने नर्वस होता हूँ. मैं फिर से नया स्टार्ट करता हूँ एक फ्रेश फिल्म की तरह और फ्रेश प्रोसेस में जाता हूँ. आई डोंट रिपीट द प्रोसेस. आई कीप डिस्कवरिंग माई सेल्फ कि यार ये तो मैंने कर दिया, वासीपुर कर दिया, गायपोची कर दिया, दंगल कर दिया, बजरंगी भाईजान कर दिया, दिस कर दिया, दैट कर दिया. तो आई से नाउ लेट्स व्हाट नेक्स्ट. I keep discovering myself कि अब ये वाला फिल्म करना है, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करना है. अभी मुझे शो इंटरेस्टिंग करना है, डेली क्राइम इंटरेस्टिंग करना है, फैमिली मैन इंटरेस्टिंग करना है, सीक्रेट गेम को इंटरेस्टिंग करना है. अब उससे बेटर कास्टिंग क्या होगी. मैंने सिर्फ स्कैम कर दिया. यू नो आई वेंट टू गुजरात. सब कुछ ऐसा लगता है गुजरात का पूरा गुजरात इन वन स्कैम. तो आई थिंक वो मैं वहीं चला जाता हूँ. मैं फॉरेन फिल्म करना होगा तो मुझे जापानीज फिल्म करना होगा, मैं वहाँ भी चला जाऊंगा. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं.
Sure, sir. Coming down to the last question, comes in from Muhammad Akib. He says, you've already kind of answered this question, sir, but he says, once the casting for a film is done, how involved are you in the process of making it?
हम लोग क्या होता है कि कास्टिंग जब खत्म भी हो जाती है उसके बाद भी जब तक आपकी पूरी फिल्म शूटिंग नहीं हो जाती है, कभी आपको रिप्लेस करना पड़ता है एक्टर, कभी लास्ट मोमेंट में कुछ चेंजेस होते हैं, कभी सीन का कुछ रिप्लेसमेंट होता है, कभी एक्टर अच्छे से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाता, रिप्लेसमेंट होता है. जब तक फिल्म की शूटिंग कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाती हम तब तक इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं. और अगर इफ आई एम डूइंग द वर्कशॉप विद एक्टर, तो समटाइम दे नीड मी टू बी ऑन सेट विद एक्टर. दैट्स अ सेपरेट जॉब, so I do that also. And sometimes they need me for dubbing also, then we are there for dubbing also. some प्रोसेस शुरू से लेके एंड तक हम प्रोसेस में रहते हैं.
तो आप ऑलमोस्ट एक लाइफ कोच के रूप में, मोर देन जस्ट कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर, आप कोच या मोटिवेटर की जैसा.
yes you have to be I become the part of the team. I just don't casting किया चले गया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You have to be with the team throughout जब तक शूटिंग होने जाना. Especially this time in COVID time, because कितने लोगों को कोरोना हो रहा है, तो you're replacing the actor overnight, finding an option overnight. So many shootings are getting cancelled, actor are, and so sad, and actor already shoot कर रहा है पर replace करना पड़ रहा है, reshooting the scene. तो so many things are happening. तो आप 24 घंटे ये कर रहे होते हैं. आपका काम आज 10 से 5 का नहीं होता है, ये काम आपका 24 घंटे का.
Sir, final question, छोटी question, and that is sir Gopal Dutt, आप Delhi Crime.
मेरा फेवरेट एक्टर है, मेरा एनएसडी के टाइम का दोस्त है। जब मैं एनएसडी में था तब एनएसडी में था, तो आप उसी वो दिल्ली क्राइम का बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग किस्सा बताऊं तो वो मेरे ऑफिस में किसी और चीज को ऑडिशन देने के लिए आया था। तो वो सीढ़ी से उतरता, अरे मैं गोपाल इधर इधर आई टोल्ड रिची ये रोल गोपाल करेगा। इन 30 सेकंड में डिसाइडेड।
सर मेरा प्रॉब्लम अलग है, वो है कि एक बार 2017 की बात है, he took 55 रुपया from me to pay a taxi, he has not returned the money.
गोपाल अब तो तू इतना सारा काम कर रहा है, तूने
प्लीज बात करो उसके साथ।
गोपाल मैं एक बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, तूने इतना सारा काम कर लिया, तू इतने सारे पैसे कमा रहा है, तू रेडियो में भी शो कर रहा है, तू इतने सारे, मैंने कम से कम 10 शो में तो मैंने तुझे कास्ट कर दिए थे, फिल्म में कास्ट कर दिए, तो प्लीज वो 55 रुपया लौटा दे और 2007 से लेकर अब तक उसका जितना भी इंटरेस्ट है वो सब जोड़ के साइरस को प्लीज दे दे। ये हाथ जोड़ के मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ। गोपाल दत्त तिवारी मेरे एनएसडी के सीनियर है, वो आप रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ पैसे लौटा दीजिए, आपकी वजह से मेरी लाइफ में बहुत बेइज्जती हो रही है।
Sir, this is a great audition. Pass हो गया. Okay, great talking again. Apologies, Mukesh, for all this technology problems. Hopefully, it'll get sorted at some point. I don't know what to do from this area. But what a lovely conversation with Mukesh Chabra. What we have learned that he's not just a specialist when it comes to finding the right talent, but he's also very much an artist, a director who's going to give us some big films in time to come, and a humanitarian who always finds time for all people from any walks of life and pushes the theater and acting agenda. So, well done, sir. Thank you. You go into my list of 100 great Indians.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
sir.
अभी लिस्ट बनाते हैं। Silvery, you're 204. थोड़ा बकअप
Oh shit. Okay.